Hi everyone, my name is Myra and I am from the year 2016. A lot has changed in the past 40 years. Global temperatures have risen, petrol has become extremely scarce, water has become extremely expensive, and many more things. However, today I'm here to warn you about just one thing: jobs. With the rise of AI, a lot of jobs have become obsolete. The entire world has become AI focused, and AI has seeped into every facet of human life, from IT sector all the way into healthcare and art. However, there are certain jobs which have remained steady across the world even in times of change. Today, I will tell you about these jobs so that you can remain safe from the AI revolution of your time. Let us begin. Number 1, UX designer. UX designers are responsible for creating intuitive and engaging digital experiences for users. While AI can generate designs based on user data and preferences, it still lacks the creativity and empathy required to design experiences that truly resonate with users. Human intuition and creativity are critical for UX design, making this job immune to replacement by AI. Number 2, software project manager. Software project managers are responsible for overseeing the planning, development, and implementation of software projects. While AI can automate certain aspects of project management such as task scheduling and project tracking, the role of a software project manager goes beyond these routine tasks. Effective communication, team collaboration, and problem-solving skills are critical for a project manager's success, making this role challenging for AI to replace. Number 3, technical writer. Technical writers are responsible for creating user manuals, help documentation, and other technical materials that help users understand software products. While AI can generate some types of documentation, such as API documentation, it still lacks the ability to write in a way that is clear and understandable to users. Human communication skills and domain knowledge are critical for creating an effective technical documentation, making this job immune to replacement by AI. Number 4, software sales representative. Software sales representatives are responsible for selling software products and services to businesses and individuals. While AI can automate some aspects of sales, such as lead generation and qualification, it still lacks the ability to build relationships and understand the unique needs and challenges of customers. Human communication skills, empathy, and domain knowledge are critical for successful software sales, making this job immune to replacement by AI. And lastly, development ops engineer. As technology advances and delivery pipeline becomes more complex, someone needs to maintain and improve the development environment. The development operations engineer's role is to evolve continuously, and they're responsible for the automation, deployment, and maintenance of different systems. Although AI can help with certain tasks such as monitoring, debugging, and predicting potential problems, it cannot coordinate the processes themselves. So these are the jobs which are AI-proof in the coming future. I hope you can land one of these jobs and live long enough to meet me in the future. In the coming days, I will be coming back with 5 more AI-resistant jobs for you to consider. Till then, stay safe, study hard, and subscribe to Leverage Edu. Thank you for watching.